Practice Question 2 by Hands IT Academy. Welcome to part 2 of this short sample exam video by Hands IT Academy. In this session, we'll go through another set of CISSP-style multiple choice questions, carefully breaking down each answer to help reinforce key security concepts. The goal is to not just memorize answers, but to truly understand why some answers are correct and why others are not. Let's jump right in. Which of the following is the first step in the incident response process? A. Detection and analysis. B. Preparation. The correct answer is C. Preparation. Let's break it down. Option A, detection and analysis, is incorrect because while it is an important phase, incident response should begin with preparation, which involves establishing policies, training teams, and setting up security tools. Option B, containment, is also incorrect because it is a later step in the process used to prevent the spread of an attack after it has been detected. Option C, preparation, is correct because it ensures that an organization has the necessary tools, policies, and procedures in place before an incident occurs. A well-prepared organization can respond quickly and effectively to a security breach. In a cloud computing environment, who is responsible for securing the underlying infrastructure in an infrastructure as a service IaaS model? Cloud service provider? B. The CSP and customer. The correct answer is C, both the CSP and the customer. Let's analyze why. Option A, cloud service provider, CSP, is incorrect because while CSPs secure the hardware, networking, and data centers, customers must secure their own applications, data, and access controls. Option B, customer, is also incorrect because customers do not have control over the physical infrastructure, which is managed by the cloud provider. Option C, both the CSP and customer, is correct because security responsibilities are shared in an IaaS model. The CSP secures the infrastructure while the customer is responsible for securing their operating systems, applications, and data. An attacker sends an email to an employee pretending to be the CEO and asks for an urgent wire transfer. What type of attack is this? Phishing. B. The correct answer is B, whaling. Let's discuss why. Option A, phishing, is incorrect because phishing is a broader category that refers to fraudulent emails designed to trick users into providing sensitive information. Option C, smishing, is also incorrect because smishing involves phishing attacks sent via SMS or text messages. Option B, whaling, is correct because it is a type of phishing attack that specifically targets high-level executives, such as CEOs or CFOs, to trick them or their employees into performing actions like wire transfers or credential disclosure. Which of the following is considered the most effective method for protecting against unauthorized physical access? A. The correct answer is A, Mantrap. Let's go over why. Option B, security guard, is incorrect because while security guards provide human oversight, they are susceptible to social engineering and human error. Option C, security cameras, is also incorrect because cameras provide monitoring and evidence collection, but they do not actively prevent unauthorized access. Option A, Mantrap, is correct because it is a physical security mechanism that uses two interlocking doors, allowing only one person to enter at a time. This prevents unauthorized individuals from following an authorized person inside, a technique known as tailgating. Which of the following defines the maximum tolerable amount of data loss an organization can accept in a disaster scenario? A. Recovery time objective. B. Recovery point objective, RPO. C. Mean time. The correct answer is B. Recovery point objective. Let's analyze why. Option A, recovery time objective, RTO, is incorrect because RTO defines the maximum amount of time a system can be down before operations are severely impacted. Option C, mean time to repair, MTTR, is also incorrect because MTTR measures how long it takes to restore a failed system after an outage. Option B, recovery point objective RPO, is correct because it specifies the maximum amount of acceptable data loss measured in time. For example, if an organization has an RPO of 2 hours, they must ensure backups are taken at least every 2 hours to prevent excessive data loss in the event of a disaster. Great job working through these CISSP practice questions. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Preparation is the first step in the incident response process, ensuring organizations have policies and tools ready before an attack happens. Cloud security in an IaaS model is a shared responsibility between the cloud service provider CSP and the customer. Whaling is a type of phishing attack that specifically targets high-level executives. Mantraps are highly effective at preventing unauthorized physical access by restricting entry to one individual at a time. Recovery point objective, RPO, defines the maximum tolerable amount of data loss in a disaster scenario. Understanding these concepts is essential for passing the CISSP exam. The best way to prepare is to keep practicing, review your mistakes, and reinforce your understanding. Keep up the great work, and you'll be CISSP certified in no time. This concludes part 2 of 5 in this short sample exam series by Hans IT Academy. Stay tuned for part 3 where we'll tackle more CISSP questions. See you in the next video.